The WeFone WF-11, ready for flight. The WeFone WF-11, front LED lights, flies at the beach, parks, hovers. Speeds, medium, high, and low. This is high speed. A close-up shot to the camera. The drone does flips by hitting the buttons. Headless mode. If the drone ever crashes, it will shut off automatically. And the next time ready to fly, place down on the table or the floor and recalibrate. Takeoff is going down on the joysticks, opposite, up and out. When you get flashes in the lights, low voltage cutoff will be coming. The drone has altitude hold. It has a camera that's adjustable. It has a distance, a radius. Time to come in and land. Drone for all ages, foldable, prop guards removable, remote control. On and off button in the back and on the remote control. Removable propellers. Foldable drone, as easy as 1, 2, 3. Fits into a nice carrying case. Compact in size. The WF-11 by WeFone.